US President Joe Biden has thanked Slovakia for donating its Soviet-era S-300 air defense system to Ukraine and said it will be replaced with a US-made Patriot system. Biden said Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has raised the need to transfer such systems to Ukraine. To enable this transfer and ensure the continued security of Slovakia, the United States will reposition a US Patriot missile system on Slovakian border with Ukraine. Biden said that while the Russian military may have failed in its objective of capturing Kyiv, it continues to inflict horrific acts of brutality on the Ukrainian people. Prime Minister Edward Heger said earlier that Slovakia would donate its Soviet-era S-300 air defense system to Ukraine. Heger announced a donation as he visited Kyiv with top EU officials ahead of a meeting with Zelensky. Zelensky mentioned S-300s by name when he spoke to US lawmakers by video last month, appealing for defense systems that would allow Ukraine to close the skies to Russian warplanes and missiles. NATO members Bulgaria, Slovakia, and Greece have the S-300s, which can fire missiles hundreds of kilometers and knock out cruise missiles as well as warplanes. NATO allies Germany and Netherlands last month sent 3 batteries of the Patriot air defense system to Slovakia, which Bratislava said would complement rather than replace the S-300. But it said it was willing to give its S-300 to Ukraine on condition that it has a proper replacement. The Patriot system and a team of US soldiers will arrive in Slovakia in the coming days, US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin said. The length of the US soldiers' deployment has not been set, Austin said in a statement. I salute the generosity of the Slovak government in providing an S-300 air defense system, a critical defensive capability to Ukraine, Austin said in the statement. It's a strong testament to how determined Ukraine's neighbors are to help the Ukrainians defend themselves against Russia's unprovoked invasion of their homeland. He said the move aligns perfectly with previous efforts to bolster NATO's defensive capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.